Hi YouTube. Hey everybody. It's your girl Ashley Rosetta. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a DIY project on how I resize and reconstruct some of my small clothes. Today's clothing of choice is a coat that I brought online overseas, fortunately in a size 2X. Where it was really small. I'm going to an event in New York and it's going to be outdoors, so I definitely want to layer up, but with the way how the coat was delivered to me, there's no way I can layer up. So today we're going to be reconstructing it to just widen it up, and it's so simple. I did one side a couple days ago just to see if it was worth doing, and it turned out better than I expected. So today we'll be doing the other side. Stay tuned. What you'll be needing for this project is you'll need a large sewing needle. This needle kind of is similar to the needles they use for piercing, or what they used to use for body piercings. So you'll need a large needle. You'll need some fabric pins to hold all your fabrics together. I got some long pearlized pins. You'll need some fabric glue, Gorilla fabric glue. All the material I got here today, I got from my local fabric store. You'll need your coat. You'll need some fabric from your local fabric store. I like this really cool fabric. Let's get started. First, let me do a Snapchat. And we're ready. So, first thing that we gotta do, guys, we're gonna open up the coat. Okay, let's get started, guys. What you'll need, once again, is you'll need your needle, you'll need your weaving thread, you'll need some fabric glue, your fabric, and the object that you're operating on, and of course some scissors. Let's get started, guys. We're gonna do this the fast and easy way. How we're gonna do it, I'm gonna cut down from 12 stitches on this fabric, and I'm gonna just cut it down to like 28 stitches down. That's like the measurements that I can eyeball by just looking at the fabric. Down to the bottom of the coat. Down to the coat. So let's do that right now. And yes, guys, once again, you're gonna need fabric pins to hold the fabric to the coat. Okay, guys, I'm going to do the voiceover to take over. What I'm showing right here is me measuring the sleeve of the coat to the bottom of the coat, so I can cut the inside from the sleeve down to the bottom and add the fabric in. It took a while to measure because it was really slinky and big, but I was able to measure it correctly and add the fabric along the coat so I could pin it and start stitching. This way is just a lot easier because I didn't have a sewing machine. Of course, that's why it's all hand stitch, but like I said, this DIY is a real fast and convenient way to do a fast altercation um, for ready to go wear. And it turned out just fine. So I'll just leave it here.
This is a better view, so you guys can see. I felt when I was sitting down, you guys couldn't really see what I was doing. But I was cutting up the format so I can cut along the coat and then add fabric in. So what we're going to do is from the bottom of the coat, leading into the underarm area, down to the bottom of the coat, we're going to cut down. And how I did the other side is I just started from the sleeve in towards the underarm part, just to cut, not the whole thing at first. So that's what we're going to do. And to make it easier, I suggest you cut down the underlining of the inner coat print. Okay guys, so I already used the fabric pins and placed them where I needed them to go. And I only cut down as much to the underarm part before I start stitching down this way. So I just cut it to right here. And I put the pins in the outer side of the coat fabric and then already attach the fabric that I've added in to it in the inside. So I'm gonna do the same to the side on camera.
Okay, right here I'm showing where I'm about to start stitching. I put all my pins in the fabric. Everything is aligned up. I'm about to start stitching down underneath the pins, and it just pretty much was a flow to where I just continued one side all the way down and then I moved on to the other side. So I'll just let the video show the rest. Enjoy.
Checks on me, 100% is all mine. One of a kind I am. I'm in the kitchen, taste my sauce, so much flavor. No limelight, I'm too bright. First glance, better look right, or it could blind you. How I switch on, I can't help, I'm always right. So let me correct you, I'm such a stallion. Keep it going all night, and I'ma keep it flowing right. Drip, drip. I'm always right. So let me correct you. I'm such a stallion. Keep it going all night, and I'ma keep it flowing right. Drip, drip.
Okay guys, right here is where I was about finished sewing the coat. It turned out really great. As you guys can tell, I put a lot of effort into it. I'll upload pictures to show you my ending result, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hopefully learned something. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye. I made it, boo. We're here at the lake show. Ain't it so beautiful? Hold on. I got something. I'm going to show you something. Oh, look at that one. Pokemon. That's gorgeous. Guys, we're still doing the walkthrough. Yeah, come on. I had to convert it to my phone. I had to convert it to my phone because the camera died. It ain't stopping our progress though. We're still here. Yeah, Jess is hungry. Oh, look how cute is that.
Pregnant butt. Hungry. Oh shoot.
I like this section over here. It's like diamonds.
Yo, my aunt's always trying to bribe me with food to come to our house.
Yeah, this is so beautiful. I'm so happy I brought the tickets. It's a nice little gathering for me and Jess. What is that?
Oh, it's like
It looked like a hand.
It's a hand praying, I think.
Oh, that's so beautiful.